Hey guys, welcome back. It is harvest week, and our first project that we're doing today is a corn decor project. So you'll get this template, and this part is the corn, and this is the husk, the part of the plant, the leaves that grow around the corn. Now I'm going to show you a couple different ways of doing this. Now I did take and cut the husk template out and traced it onto paper, and then I took the corn and drew it there so I could see where it goes. But then I also just took the husk and cut it out and colored it. But you can do what you want. Again, like these are green. Green doesn't work on the green screen, so I went with the dried ones. But it's up to you. The first way I made this is with beads. Kind of see how that is. Kind of looks like the tricolored corn that you see this time of year. And you could glue that onto one of your husks. So it look like this. We've got two more ways of doing it too, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those. Forgot my glue, I'll be right back. Alright. So I've cut out, it's yellow, but it's still messing up. Two more things of my corn using the cob template, and this time I'm using popcorn, so it's actually going to have corn on it. So I'm just going to take my glue and I'm going to spread it all over my cob. Anywhere that you want your popcorn to stick. Okay, and then we're just going to take the popcorn and start sprinkling it on. And you just want a single layer, so if some of them are sitting on top of each other, just kind of push them down. You want to fill in any holes that you have so that you get good coverage. Now, obviously this one is going to look the most like corn since we're actually using corn on it. But we also don't want to eat the popcorn, so we don't want anybody to choke. This is definitely a choke hazard, and so are the beads, and that's why we have a third option. Okay, so once you get them all, a little more down here. So there is my one with the popcorn. Set that aside. And our third version, which will be a little bit easier to work with, we're going to use some Cheerios. So I'm just going to spread the glue out again. You want to get it nice and covered. Again, try to get as close to the edges as you can. Since the Cheerios are a little bit bigger, you have to get quite as close as you do with the corn. And just start laying them on. They'll go on a lot easier if you lay them down flat. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. While the glue's still wet, you can move them around a little bit if you need to. And fill in all the holes. Now the instructions do show a little bit different, and because they were just using all different kinds of shapes and sizes and stuff. And you can actually use a combination of the three if you like. I kind of like having the be all the same. Avoid the ones that are stuck together. I'm trying to get it to lay flat. Okay. So there's my Cheerio one done. And so then when you're done with that, you just need to take your husk. So I've only got the 2 husks, so I'm only going to glue 2 of them on. But put some glue on the husk template where the corn cob is going to go. I think I'm going to put my tri-colored corn on this one because I like all the different colors with the brown. I think that looks really nice. Press it down there. So that's what that corn looks like. And then I think because this one kind of looks more like real, I'm going to go ahead and glue this on here. Glue our popcorn one on here. Just move it around to line it up. And there we go. There is our different ones, and you pick the one that you like the best. I hope you guys have a good time making this. Thanks, guys.